SVR for my county.
Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of Hallam or 15 miles southwest of Lincoln, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southern Lincoln, Hickman, Hallam, Ruka, Sprague, Stagecoach State Recreation Area, Wagon Train State Recreation Area, and Bluestem State Recreation Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Lancaster, Nebraska. Significant weather advisory for